Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we got some leftover butcher board countertop that we're going to turn into cutting boards. So follow along. Alright, so the steps we're going to take today is this thing's about 24 by 36. So we're going to turn this into 4 chopping boards here. So basically halfway and halfway, as long as it matches up to an edge of a board of one of the butcher blocks. So if it's just a few, if it's an 1/8 inch over, I'm going to move it over so it lines up with this one line. So one might be a little bit bigger than the other. That's fine, but at least we'll be going right down the middle of it. So after we do that, we get it cut into 4 pieces. We use a table saw. We use our DeWalt miter saw, and then from there we'll do a bunch of sanding, and well, it'd be a pretty quick project. Now, what's kind of cool is that somebody donated this to me, but you can find these online quite a bit. OfferUp, Craigslist, I see them all the time. Just leftover butcher block countertops. This is for super cheap, or they're even giving them away. So if you're looking for something like this, you can definitely pick it up and do this project pretty cheap. So let's get this measured out, let's get it on here and start cutting. Alright, we got them cut to our size. Nice thick cutting boards here. So what we're going to do is, I like to keep the edges sharp here, the lines sharp, so I'm not going to route the edges here. I'm just going to go over it with sandpaper, scuff it up a little bit, work our way down from 80 grit all the way to 220, maybe even a little bit farther than that, and then we'll start oiling it. So this is the fun part, sanding them all down, but it's all for the end product, right? So let's get started. Alright, they are sanded down and ready for the butcher block oil. So got our butcher block oil. Got a piece of an old shirt, probably one of my old shirts I got cut up, and we'll just wipe it on, wipe it off, maybe do this a couple coats, and then well, they'll be completed. So let's get started on that. So far, not too bad of a project overall. I think you just kind of needed some kind of saw to cut these down to size. So let's finish it off. Alright, here they are completed. Nice oil on them, 2 coats. Well, nice and heavy, pretty big, 12.5 inches by, I think it was 17 inches that we went with. That's quite enough space for a nice big steak or ribs or anything like that. So easy project. We kept it nice rectangular shape. To get a little more creative, we could have put handles on here, kept it real long, things like that. Maybe we'll do that on our next project. If you like this project and many of the others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and give this project a try.